Holly and I'm the Tooth Fairy. I've been styling smiles around the world since 1999. Tooth Fairy tooth crystals are a fun fashion accessory and easy to use. Let me show you how to style your smile. Hi, this is how you place your tooth crystal. So please take your kit and open your box. In your box, you're going to find supplies to place 5 crystals. The crystals are easy to do. You need about 5 minutes at home. In your kit, you're going to find you have 10 pieces of cotton, 5 tooth wands, a small UV light, a tube of glue, and 5 crystals. From home, I need you to have some protective glasses, also some hand cream to pick up the crystal with, and a tissue. So let's begin. First, pick which tooth you'd like to have your tooth crystal on. You're going to take your tissue and dry that tooth really well. You're then going to take a piece of cotton and put it under your lip. You're going to take a second piece of cotton and bite down on it. You are then going to open your glue, and you're going to take one of the tooth wands. You're going to stir the glue 5 seconds. You're going to take a second tooth wand. You're going to dip the end in the hand cream, and that'll allow you to pick up the crystal easily. You're going to then apply the glue to the back of the crystal. You're going to come to your tooth, press hard with the crystal, and you're going to shine your UV light directly onto the glue in the crystal for 4 minutes. After that, your crystal will stay. Now it's your turn. Have fun styling your smile.